All right, here is I need your opinion, guys. I'm making this brake pan, but I noticed this is very tall. If you compare this, I need to reduce the height. But my question is, should I make it this length? Obviously not this length, but here's the small band. This one is meant to be a quarter. I don't know how you mention. Oh, okay, here. So obviously I'm going to reduce the height from this car to make it just a little bit, just like pretty much like that. Pretty much the height of this. But my question is, what's your opinion? Should I make this length or this length? Let me know in the comments because I have no clue. Obviously, I'm going to reduce the height, but I want to know, is this is better left or right? Left or right? I wish to know. Let me know this length or this length. Thanks.